Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back to another video as usual, man. Giving y'all the good content, man. Today's video, man, I'm just showing y'all kind of like a before and after. Since I do detailing now, man, it's a product that every detailer uses. I'll show y'all real quick. Every detailer uses, which is that super clean right there, man. That shit works like a motherfucker. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. That shit works for real. So I should have recorded. I don't know why I didn't just record it, but that's why I have this light in my hand. So I just got done cleaning the seat. I thought I can get the stains out. I thought they were just in there, embedded in there. But man, it looks completely different. It was a lot worse than this, but I'm gonna spray some more on here real quick just to show y'all this stuff really works. And it's cleaning leather with it. See, look, you can see the little, there you go. See that? I gotta get the rest of that up. So I'm gonna show y'all that. Let me put the seat down. Like, look, like it's hard to tell. You see that right there? The little border. It's really dirty. It really is. I didn't realize how dirty it was. So we're gonna spray that in there, man. Give y'all like a little before and after. Show how this stuff actually worked. Cause I detailed my car already. Like I fully detailed it. But there's some other stuff I thought I couldn't get, man. But that shit fucking works. So I have the super clean in this bottle. I did use all of this. This does not work as good as super clean, nowhere near it. But I do have it mixed. I have a, what is it called? What I have in here is obviously super clean. I have the DILUTE, and I use Dawn soap to have, so you can see like the suds and stuff like that. So yeah, man, this shit works, man, for real. It really works, man. My seat was just really bad, like it really was. So let's get into it, man.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep on the love. The Lord coming back.
And I don't know if you can see it as well. You can see where it dripped at as well. So as it's dripping down, it's cleaning it and getting all that grime out. So man, this stuff works, man. Get you a full bottle that's super clean. I got it at Walmart for about I got it for $8, man. It's right there where the oil and stuff is at. So let's go and spray this in here. I'm using a regular spray, not the stream. See how that soap comes out. Shake the bottle up a little bit. We're gonna do the whole seat one more time. Just drench it, let it wait, let it sit for a little bit. Sit for like, I think it says like 5 minutes on there. Like a minute to 5 minutes. It is strong. Maybe I diluted it too much or didn't dilute it as enough, but it is strong as hell. All you want to do is make sure you have a towel as well, a wet towel. You really want to use a dry towel, so my towel is damp. And I'm not seeing if you're seeing it, but once again, like I said a second ago, it's actually cleaning it. I know it's kind of like, the sun really ain't out too much, so I have my garage cracked, but man, this shit works, man. It's like, there you go. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this spot right here. Just to show y'all, man, this damn thing works. I'm not even putting pressure to it. Like legitly, like I'm just doing that. I'm gonna apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, the side of the seat was actually pretty clean, just that spot. I'm in shock, man. I'm amazed. I've never seen anything do nothing like this, so I'm very amazed right now. You can't see really at the top of the seat, but it's like a little dirt. And yes, this is safe for leather. It's just a degreaser. So you can use this on household items as well. I do have this in my household items as well. I have a bottle mixed with Pine Sol, Dawn soap in this, and it works extremely well. And I mean extremely well. So yeah, now it's coming up. But it's just a quick video, man. I just wanted to show y'all. I did do a deep clean when I first got this car, but once again, I thought I couldn't get none of this stuff out. Let's spray some on this side. Just try to get some of those stains out. See that little stain right here? Kind of where I'm gonna put my light at. That little stain. It's like black. So let's try to. I know some ain't gonna get all of it up because this is a driver's seat, but it should. See, it looks better. It looks a lot better. I mean, it looks like a whole. It looks like not new. What pretty much does to me. I don't know what this is right here, if y'all can see it. Yeah, I probably can see it. It's like a little black spot. I don't know what, it's not coming up though. But this car has 200,000 miles on it, and the rest of the leather is clean as hell though, like the back seats. Everything. So this is the only seat. This is obviously gonna be the most worn seat. I mean, honestly, this is good enough for me. It got out a lot of the dirt. I don't really think it'll pick anything else up. I already went over it 3 times. So yeah, we actually probably will. So one more spray, man. That's it. One more spray on this seat. It'll be good. I still see some stuff up here on this. I see a little bit. I could use more soap in here too, because that Dawn soap, just soap in general, that Sud gets all the dirt out as well. So, but yeah, I know my hand probably in the way. Think about it till now. Yeah, nothing else ain't coming up on this. Normally it'll just eat it up. Look on here, look on here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Just a couple sprays. Look at the little splashes, man. Look at that. It just eats it up, bro. It looks clean, like it looks clean. It was already clean, but I already sprayed some of this. Oh no, I sprayed that on there at first. And I cleaned it like what, 2 weeks ago. So just look at that, man. That's a big difference. Look at the color. I'm amazed, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm amazed. The center console on my charger, man, was already cracked at like 110 miles. Look at this, man. It's like barely even 200,000 mile car, man. Barely even chipping away just now. It was like that when I got it, but just look at that, man. That looks different, bro. Man, y'all just saw this. Look how dirty it was. Look at it now. It took all the grime that's embedded in that leather. Y'all see it already eating it up? I know y'all see that, man. Look at that. I think that's just from age at the same time too. Y'all see that, man? The actual bottom seat is clean as hell. It's cleaner than, yeah, that's clean. But y'all see that, man? I know y'all see it. See the little spots where it's dripping down at? Spray a little bit more on there. Completely new, man. Look at that. See a little drippage right there. Man, that's all I'm showing y'all, man. That is. I'm gonna give y'all before and after for the rest of the seats. So see, once again, I sprayed. You see the little drippage. I sprayed with the actual ZEP stuff, and they wasn't getting it up like this is getting up. It's super clean. It's getting it all the way up, man. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, man? You see that? This is a passenger seat. He's gonna get all this up. Doesn't look dirty, but it is. And then we gonna go over it with our leather protection. So it's gonna be a before and after I put all this on here. So we got that leather, rich leather 3-in-1, clean, conditions, protects. Always been using this since I had little seats in that journey over there. But other than that, man, I'll give y'all before. Other than that, man, I'm gonna give y'all before and after and show y'all what it look, man. I actually didn't want to make it this long of a video, but yeah. So I'm gonna give y'all before and after, man. But let's go. So these back seats aren't they're not really bad at all. No one really sat back here, whoever had the car. You can see some of that stuff. I'm trying to get that stuff out. That'll definitely come out. Y'all can't tell because this looks like it's a part of the actual leather, but you'll be telling with the before and after. You can see some of the little drips from the Zep. That's how you know that stuff, it does its job, but it doesn't. Even this, I had to like scrub and still wasn't getting it. So yeah. I think the inside of here too, let me see. Yep. Should knock out in like a couple sprays. And then this for my kids and get in the car. If y'all see that little fucking Serps thing, whatever the hell that is. It's from the kid, but the back seats are pretty clean for the most part. I mean, so this right here is after the leather cleaner, the last step. You're not gonna be able to tell, but it does look a lot better. It's a lot better, smoother. Pretty much looks the same. But yeah, that thing just get back here. It's kind of more noticeable back here. It's more shinier. So these seats never get used, really. But yeah, it's definitely shinier. Alright, other than that, man, let me know what y'all think about the video. Let me know your methods of how you clean your leather. That's how I do mine. That's how I do mine now, at least. I was doing it a whole different way, the wrong way before. I never knew I could clean it like that. But other than that, man, once again, let me know down in the comment section below what y'all think about the video. Make sure you like and share the video. Smash the subscribe button as well. And also turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Man, it's brother Mike Profit.